Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. So ignore my hair, first of all. I like to be comfortable when I'm cleaning and my hair needs to be redone desperately. I feel like I said this in my last cleaning video, but okay, whatever, moving on. So today we are going to be cleaning and decorating for the 4th of July. And I know it seems a little early, but when I upload this video, it's gonna be a month before 4th of July. So I think that a month long of decorations is best because I get to look at it for a month and it doesn't feel like I just put it up and then take it down a week later. And actually I'm filming this Memorial Day weekend, so technically I could go ahead and just decorate for Memorial Day because you guys know I decorate for like every freaking holiday. So of course I've got to do a clean and decorate 4th of July video. And I don't have a lot, you guys. I'll go ahead and show you. It is very minimal. I've got a couple signs here that we're gonna use, and then this thing, and then we've got this teeny tiny tote of stuff. So it's not a lot. My house is a mess though, so I am ready to clean and get started because it's in desperate need of a good cleaning. So today we're gonna clean, we're gonna focus on the couch, folding blankets, vacuuming the floors with my new little gadget that I got a few months ago, dusting. I may clean the kitchen in this video, probably not. I might just do it later. Cleaning the table off, wiping it down, and of course decorating. So I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you find it relaxing. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm doing is just clearing off my table so I can wipe it clean. I'm also taking everything out of this tray and I'm going to wipe the bottom of it. I'm going to be using these multi-surface wipes and they are amazing. They smell like grapefruit and you can get them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just using these to wipe the table down. I also like to use it for my chairs and then I'll wipe the seat of the chairs too, and it works great. I am going to be putting my trees back out because I have some cute little decorations that I want to put on there. Look at these, you guys. They are so cute and perfect for the 4th of July. I got these from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. Then I'm just going to put this really cute red, white, and blue garland, and it just ties it all together so well, I think. Moving on to my shelves in the corner of my dining room, I'm just dusting them down and then I'll just put out a couple of decorations. Like I said, I don't have a lot. Let's move on to the living room. So right now I'm just picking up all of the clutter. I'm spraying this tray down because it gets so filthy. And I'm also going to clean this ottoman. Then I'm just going to take all the pillows off of the couch, fold the blankets, and then we will clean the couch off. I also want to mention that I've been combining my leather wipes with Windex, and it works really good for this couch. I wouldn't recommend it for real leather, but this is like a pleather type couch, and it seems to clean it really well. Moving on to this little corner in my living room, I'm just dusting all these things off and then taking them down, and then I'll dust the little shelf off as well, and then I just have one little decoration to put up here, so not really a lot going on. Now we're just going to move on to my TV stand, and I'm just dusting this tray and the TV stand shelves. And I don't have any decorations to put out, so I'm just going to put the tray back. And it is red, so I guess that's patriotic enough. Time for my favorite part. I get to use my awesome little vacuum gadget, and I don't have to sweep any longer. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for this cleaning video. There was not a lot of decorating going on, but I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was relaxing and motivational. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Jack, are you walking for me? Do you want to say bye to everybody? Yeah. Are you standing?